I am done with the school drop off. Hi guys, good morning. This is a continuation vlog. So I'm just sitting down here since I woke up. I've been drinking my hot water. Today I'm taking OD hot water inside this big cup. Like just OD hot water. This cough that I'm treating, as you all know, it has for close to 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. It have not rained in Kaduna. Like close to 2 weeks now. It have not rained in Kaduna. So the ways. See what you want. See what? To where? The box. I want to burn it. Drop it in that corner. So it have not rained in Kaduna for the close to 3 weeks now. It have not rained, and weather has changed, like more like harmattan season. And me and harmattan no be friends. So like I'm this kind of person that catch cold easily and I sweat a lot. Yeah. So I'm going to go and retouch my hair today. I purposely leave it like this so that you guys will see my cornrows that is like my hair. I've covered it. You guys, my hair cut a lot. That is why I leave this hair since I've been steaming it a lot because I want it to increase. Like my hair cut to an extent that it became so light, like so light. So I'll steam it for like 3 times now. Because I want it to full, and thankfully it's fuller now. So I'll be retouching it today, but I was advised not to use a big relaxer. I don't know if that is going to help. I don't know, but I hope it helps. So I'll be retouching my hair this morning before heading to my shop. That is my hair. So let me finish up my hot water, go take my bath, and the water is no longer too hot. So I think I'll just have to leave it because I wanted it very hot. Hi guys, good morning. I'm making jollof rice for the kids, for my family, for school. So this is one of the morning routine. Yeah, so this is one of my morning routine. So I'm making jollof rice for the kids. Today is Thursday. Yeah, I switched. Today is supposed to be beans and plantain or potato. What I made that yesterday, beans and plantain. Yeah, and today I'm making jollof rice. Sipping on my made tea. So I'll be using these 2 tomatoes. Chimezo, you have already for your kita. Eh? This is pepper and crayfish blended together. I'm using smoked fish, panda, eggs for my kids. One is broken. So I'm going to be sprinkling small onion meat. I need to go and shower, and yeah, by the time I come back, the food will be ready. Guys, I'm done baking. Like, I want to go in with the carrots. The time is almost 8:30, and my kids they're starting assembly by, I don't know, 8 o'clock again. Because once it's 8 o'clock, they still get to be locked. Few seconds before I stir everything up together. This is our smoky jollof rice, like made with carrot and stockfish. Sorry, made with carrot and smoked fish. Yeah, I'm turning off the heat. Top on. Guys, we almost late. Like, I'm done with this school drop off. I am done with the school drop off. Let's go back home and pick the baby and get ready to go to the shop. Yeah, let's go. So that student is running. They are about to lock the gate because it's almost 8 o'clock. Whenever it's 8 o'clock, they will lock the school gate. So guys, I'm doing school drop off because my hubby is not around, and I've been doing it for the past 3 days. So my hubby is not in town. Hubby traveled. He's out of the town for now, and this school drop off is going to continue for the next week. Yeah. I'm licking sweets. I have sweet buttermint in my mouth. So guys, let's go home. Let me go and have my breakfast and take my drugs. I have cough. I catch cold easily. So usually I don't eat breakfast on time. But lately, like since last week till now, I've been having. Last week, yeah, it started on Saturday. I caught this cold on Saturday, Sunday till now. This is Thursday. Let me go and eat and take my cold medicine and cough syrup. Bye. So guys, I am back home and here is my food. Rice and 2 eggs. So I want to officially end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.